Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HTML Professor. So today we are typing the fifth program, so let's get started. We all know that first of all we have to open the notepad. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about superscript and subscript. And subscript, it is the short form. We will start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag is used to give title. We have to end the tag with a slash. We have to end the head tag, that is heading tag. Now the body. Now h1 tag. Superscript text appear half a character above the normal line. Now we have to end the tag and end the h1 tag. H1 tag. We will use the subscript tag. Superscript tag and h1 tag. We will have to over it. Now we will end the body tag and similarly HTML tag. Now we will have to save it. Yes, it is the fifth program, so file.html extension in all files. Now let us check the output. HTML folder. So the output appears. HELLO. It is in the uppercase. And Namaste and Game Cho.